Okay, we'll cut your hair after the meal.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. DoorDash is here. Okay. So you have to. Well, what is this? Oh, it's still warm. Still warm. Huh?
Delicata squash.
Codfish, delicious. Thank you.
She makes the best codfish.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. We're going to drive down to my sister's place in Little Compton, Rhode Island, and we're going to have Thanksgiving dinner down there, and then we're going to stay overnight and come back on Friday. We're going for all Thanksgiving.
I want to see how she's going to do that. You're going to be able to do it here?
You mean haircut? Yes.
I'm going to have a haircut today, the day before Thanksgiving. I'm going to have the dessert after the haircut.
Okay.
Here is Ed getting a haircut before Thanksgiving.
Wait, Payne, it was in 6:08.
Yeah.
And I got the broom out of the closet and swept up the hair off the wood floor. Do you remember that?
Yeah.
No.
The haircut is done. Do you think it's a time for
It's time for dessert with coffee, with nice fresh coffee from my brew machine. Okay, so
We'll say you.
I'm ready for some dessert.
Okay.
A cannoli?
no, something different.
Something different?
Something different. So for dessert, you're going to have a chocolate peanut butter cream pie from Wallingford, Connecticut, Lyman Farms Orchards, which they make them special. So you're going to have a nice slice of that.
That's on the That's where you
Right.
get it.
Yep. So
好不好?
Delicious.
Good.
Delicious Thanksgiving coffee
Yeah.
from Brian and We Paint. That is delicious.
How was the ending?
The woman getting her dog back, and the little girl's father bought his daughter a real puppy.
Ah, that's
And
nice.
so it was a nice ending.
Nice ending. Take a nap now.
I'm going to take a nap. Thank you, We Paint. Thank you, Brian.
All right. Happy Thanksgiving. See you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.